Addition of Grignard reagent to acid chloride and esters. Question says, propose a mechanism for reaction of acetyl chloride with phenyl magnesium bromide to give 1,1-diphenyl ethanol. So reaction is given here, that is acetyl chloride reacting with phenyl magnesium bromide, and this requires 2 mole of phenyl magnesium bromide. Initially solvent is ether, then on acidification final product is this, that is 1,1-diphenyl ethanol. Now mechanism is very simple in this case. We have acid chloride CH3COCl and we have pH MgBr, that is pH minus MgBr, Mg2 plus Br minus. Now pH minus will act as a nucleophile and attack will happen on acid chloride. So now product is very simple to write. We have pH minus plus CH3 C double bond O Cl. So this will attack on this carbon, this will open up, so we will have CH3 CO minus pH Cl. Now this is unstable because O minus can push this Cl minus, so this is unstable. So in the next step, negative charge on oxygen pushes this Cl minus, so this comes here, this goes here, so we will have CH3 C double bond O pH. If you see, this reaction is nothing but nucleophilic substitution. So what we have done, we have removed one Cl and we have replaced this with pH. So up to this step, this is your nucleophilic substitution. Now on this we can further add 1 mole of Grignard reagent, that is pH MgBr. So we have pH minus Mg2 plus Br minus. Now this is a ketone. On ketone we can have attack of nucleophile. So this nucleophile will attack on this carbon. This opens up. Then finally we will have CH3 CO minus pH. So we have added 2 mole of Grignard reagent. So this is coming from Grignard reagent. This is also coming from Grignard reagent. So we'll have a salt O minus Mg2 plus Br minus. Now if I do acidification of this salt, that is if I add H plus, we'll get a tertiary alcohol CH3COH pH. So this is a 3-degree alcohol. So first step is nucleophilic substitution and the second step is nucleophilic addition, because we have added an pH and we have also added H plus. So second step is nucleophilic addition. Now let us try this problem. So how you would add Grignard reagent to acid chloride or esters to synthesize the following alcohol. So we have to use either acid chloride or we can use ester. Reaction will happen in the same way. First is we have to prepare a tertiary alcohol pH COH pH. So we have a 3-degree alcohol. We can add 2 equivalent from Grignard reagent. So these 2 equivalents have been added from Grignard reagent. So corresponding acid chloride is this. If I take acid chloride of this and treat with 2 equivalent of pH MgBr, that is pH MgBr we have to take 2 mole. And then finally we have to acidify, then we'll get this desired product, that is pH COH pH pH. Reaction can also be performed on the presence of ester. Mechanism will be very similar. Now B says 3 ethyl, 2 methyl, 3 pentanol. So we have pentanol 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 3 ethyl CH2CH3, 2 methyl, 3 pentanol. So if you see, this is a 3-degree alcohol containing two groups are similar. So we have CH2CH3 group. We also have here CH2CH3 group. So these two groups are identical. Now this side we have different group, that is CH, CH3, CH3. So this means I have to take Grignard reagent of this because two equivalent we can take. And this part is coming from acid chloride. So we will have CH3, CH, CH3, COCl. And if I react with two equivalent of Grignard reagent, that is CH3CH2 MgBr, we can take 2 mole or 2 equivalent, and on further acidification we will get the corresponding alcohol. So 3-degree alcohol, this alcohol we will get CH3, CH, CH3, COH. This side we have ethyl group, this side also we have ethyl group. So this is a 3-degree alcohol. Now let us discuss part C. This says we have to prepare dicyclohexyl phenyl methanol. So we have dicyclohexyl, 2-cyclohexyl group is attached. Now this group and this group is identical. This suggests we have to consider this as a Grignard reagent. And if this is treated with either acid chloride or ester, let us say this time ester, if I take this ester, that is PHCOOET, and if I treat this with ester with Grignard reagent, two equivalent, Grignard reagent is cyclohexyl MgBr, we have to consider 2 mole. On further acidification, we will get the desired tertiary alcohol. So you see, whenever we have two groups are same, identical, we will always use this method, that is acid chloride or ester, acid chloride or acid, we can take ester or acid chloride, and if I treat with 2 mole of Grignard reagent, and if I do further acidification, finally we will have a tertiary alcohol, and this tertiary alcohol will have 2 alkyl groups same. So this tertiary alcohol will have 2 identical alkyl groups. So if you keep this in mind, that whenever we have 2 alkyl groups attached to a tertiary alcohol is identical, we can use ester or alkyl acyl chloride, that is acid chloride. In this case we have acetyl chloride. We can have methyl, ethyl, pH to prepare corresponding tertiary alcohol.